Good morning. On my on my Jaguar build, I've done pretty much all I can do up front there for now until I get some more electrical wire and some other components. The engine bay is about as good as I can get it for now. I've got some things in the paint shop being painted right now. I'll probably go and get them tomorrow. So this morning there's a couple of projects in here. Well, actually there's a lot of projects in here. This is going to take a lot of time because this is projects for the interior, projects to fix all the wiring and the fuel lines and the fuel tank, which I took out. In the back there's a fuel filter, there's a fuel line, the fuel tank, it comes up underneath, and then what happens there is the fuel sender unit and the fuel pump. The evaporation for the fuel system, I need to put that somewhere. It's got all new lines on it, but I don't think I want it in the car. I need to find somewhere outside or under the car to put this thing. And basically these three lines, there's three lines here that go to the fuel tank, and then there's one that goes to the front of the car, and it goes into the intake. So any excess fumes are distributed into the engine, not into the back of the car. I'll do this again. Let's go! been having trouble with my camera and the volume, so you missed some of it, but hey. So I put I pop riveted discs. I pop riveted that all in here, so this makes a nice structure. In here is where the fuel pump, well, the fuel tank sits, and the fuel pump sits up in here. So I'm going to put a plate over this. I'm going to clean all this up, of course, but this is going to go in, so there'll be a gasket around that, and then there'll be some grommets in here. So I pre-drilled all these. If I put it in, get a couple in there. I'm not sure what to do here. This is the wire for the fuel pump. I'm going to lay down there, put some clamps on it, or maybe clamps at either end. That the fuel line's going to be in there. It goes out that side to the front of the car. The fuel returns over here. Spare wheel. Yeah, it's a mess, I know. And then I'm going to put the clamp in. So there, I had it here somewhere. It's going to go in here like that. And then I'll weld something underneath it. So it'll tie down like that. Another piece of wood that goes on top of this, so it'll probably be okay. Yeah, there's another piece of wood that goes on top. Show you how I had that. Yeah, that'll probably work okay. And then this will lift up out of the way. I've got to think about that though, because when you lift this up, I've got to be able to get that plate off back there if you want to do servicing for the fuel system. But yeah, something like that. Right, onto the fuel tank. So I'm going to make a new cover for the fuel tank and the fuel pump and everything. Cut some holes out in some steel and then sandwich them and glue them into the fuel tank. I had to do this twice before I got that one right. So, and it gives it a bit more strength. So basically, two of these rings, but one goes on top, this goes under the tank's in here, this goes on top, and then the sender unit and the fuel tank pump all go through here. So, I'm going to get a new fuel pump, but this will give you some idea of what that's going to look like tomorrow. So continue more Sunday tomorrow. Yep, Sunday tomorrow. Gonna continue on the rear back end of the car. Try and get it so and get ready to start sculpting for the interior and start working my way forward. So I feel like I've got some progress going on here, and I'll probably put the fuel tank in maybe tomorrow evening or maybe Monday. So maybe Monday. So, anyway, like and subscribe. I got 66 subscribers so far in about a month and a half, so thank you for subscribing. It I guess it really helps. It's kind of cool to document this car and see how I'm getting on with it. Yeah, I'm trying to do everything myself. That's why the garage always looks a mess. I've always got stuff everywhere. I jump from job to job as I get parts, or I don't have something, so I go work on the other part of the car. I mean, I just don't stop. I haven't stopped in 33 days or 34 days. I've been on it every day. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. I haven't got this thing welded in for the spare wheel. So, it needs a good cleaning and painting, but... And also, I did it so when you take it off for the spare wheel. Crappy camera.
I might be able to push on here to try.
Yeah, I can't. Crappy camera.
I might be able to push on here to try.
Yeah, I can't. see how this goes. My ring. See how well it fits on here. Here I'm just gonna cut it. And then the gasket will make up for that when it goes in. Something like that. It needs to go on top. One fuel tank, one fuel pump.
Epic mess. So I decided to take it all apart and do it again and glue it in with fiberglass resin. Seems to be holding better this time and it probably won't leak any fuel. And it's also bolted in as well, so should be really good. I asked AI to give me a colour scheme fit for a king, and this is what it came up with. Not bad. I think I might do that.